Magandang hapon po ng Monday, July 21, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, July 21, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng July 21, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. See you again later for 9pm draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, July 21, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for July 21, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Monday, July 21, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.